Hello friends, welcome to another video of Vedic mathematics. So in this video we are going to multiply 3 digits using the Sutra 2. Okay, previously we worked with 2-digit number multiplication. We did a single digit multiplication of various forms. Okay, here also we are going to do 3-digit multiplication in different forms and see how we can get the solution. So every multiplication you have to have bases, and in the 2-digit multiplication you have base 100, a single digit you have base 10. So for 3 digits you have to take base 1000. Okay, so what you have to do is first write down the number. So first you write down the number. I want to change the color here. Okay, here is a new color. So 9 and 9 7. First you write down the number and then you write down the difference. So difference between 1000 and 997 is 3. Okay, so you write 3, but since it is a 3-digit number, you have to take up 3 places. Okay, so you write it like this: 0 0 3, and this number is below the base, so therefore it is going to be a negative 003. Okay, similarly you write down the second number, which is 995, and the difference is going to be 5, so you write 5 and write 2 zeros to take up 3 places. Okay, it's not just 5, it's going to be 005. Okay. So once this is done, and you know that the solution is divided into 2 parts, the first number and the second number. So to identify the first number, or to find the first number, do a cross subtraction, either this way or that way. Okay, whichever works. So you can do either one of them. No need to do both of them, because both of them will get you the same results. So 995, if I do this way, 995 minus 003. So friends, the minus actually reminds us that when we do a cross operation, it is going to be a subtraction. Okay, if there is a plus here, then you have to add it instead of doing a subtraction. Okay, we'll get to that. We'll see that kind of example in next, but for now just subtract it and write down the results, which is 9 9 and 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. So this is your first number, and you can write it down here. So 9 9 and 2, you can write it down like this. Okay, similarly, to get the second number, to get the second digit, you have to do a vertical multiplication. Okay, so it's going to be like this: 0 0 3 multiplied by, so that dot is multiplication, 0 0 5. Okay, so you're going to get 5 into 3 15, right? But this is only taking 2 places, but you need 3 places, so write it like this: 0 1 5, and you can write it like this. This is your second number. Okay, so no further operations, and this is it. This is your answer: 992015. So let's go ahead and verify this. Okay, so what are we multiplying? 997 multiplied by 995. So friends, the numbers are 992015. As you can see, you have achieved the solution. Okay, so next we'll see another example. In this example, what we are going to do is we are going to use numbers that are greater than the base. Okay, we know that numbers can be greater than base. So in this example, I am going to multiply something which is greater than base. So say for example 1002 multiplied by 1000 and let's say 7. So what is the result going to be? What is the solution for this? So for this you have to do you have to write down the numbers first. As usual, just write down the numbers, okay, and we will figure out whether it is greater than the base or less than the base in a minute. We'll figure out that. So obviously the number is greater than base, but therefore you should write the difference, which is 2, okay, but this time is greater than base, so you have to occupy 3 places and you have to say plus, because it's greater than the base, you have to say plus. Similarly, it is greater than base by 7 unit, so you write 3 digits, okay. So first 2 are 0 because nothing there, and the third one is 7, and this is also going to be plus. So once you got the results, you have to do the cross subtraction. No, you have to do cross addition, because this is a plus sign now. So cross addition will give you 1007. If I do like this, operation this way, I will get 1007, and then you add 002. Okay, this will give me result as 7 plus 2 9 0 0 1. That's your first number. So you can simply write down the solution. First number is going to be 1 0 0 9. Okay, so let's find out second number. Second number is, as usual, you have to multiply the vertical multiplication. So you get 7 into 2 14. So you write down 14, but this is not occupying 3 digits, it's just occupying 2 digits, so add one more 0 here. So this is going to be your answer. Let's verify this. We have a calculator, so simply multiply these two numbers. 1002 into 1007, and as you can see, the number is 1009014. So you got the correct answers. Okay, so it's not always the case that you will get either both number greater than base and both number greater than less than base. Sometimes you may get mixed differences. Okay, one of the number may be bigger than base, other number will be less than base. So what to do in this situation? So let's do one problem with a mixed base. Okay, mixed differences, I can say. So let's take a number like 9 say 4. Okay, so if I take 994 multiplied by some number greater than base, okay, 114. Okay, let me take 14 equals. So what will be the answer? Here the things are not easy, because one of the number is less than the base, other one is greater than the base. So with this, the operation will change a little bit. The way of multiplication will change a different manner. Okay, little difference will be there. So first you write down the numbers as usual. Write down the numbers. After you write down the numbers, now you know this is less than the base 1000. Okay, this is less than the base 1000. So you write a negative number, because our rule says that whenever you write any difference, if it is less than the base, you write negative sign, and then occupy the digits. How many digits should be occupied? We occupy 2 digits, 3 digits, because it's a 3-digit multiplication. So this is going to be 006. Similarly, you can write down 1014, and this time is going to be plus because it's more than the base. And now you write 3 digit, occupy 3 digits, so it's going to be 014. Okay, so once you have done that, what is next? So next is we have to do the business as usual. So simply you do a cross addition this time. Let it be different this time. So I'm doing cross addition because there's a plus sign here. So I'm going to do cross addition of 994 plus 014. Okay, so this will give me how much? This will give me, so this will give me 8, and then 9 1 is 10, 9 zeros, once again it is going to be 10. So it's going to be 1008. Now I have to do a vertical multiplication between 6 and 14. So it's going to be 006 and multiplied by 014, and what is the result is going to be 6 4s 24, and your 2 balance 616, and plus 2 is 84. Okay, and since it's a 3-digit multiplication, so I have to write 3 digits, so 084. Okay, now it's a bit complex because this is not your answer. As you may think that, okay, I've done the cross multiplication and I've done the cross addition and vertical multiplication, so I got my answers. No, because this time it's different, because we have different bases, difference from bases. Okay, if you remember, the one number is less than the base, the other is greater than the base, so we have to normalize the answer. So how you're going to do is, first you have to subtract 1 from this number, the 1008. Okay, subtract just 1 whenever you get a answer like this or problem like this. Oops. So it's going to be, oh, something happening. Okay, so I got 1008. I hope you can see that. Okay, yes, I think it's good. Okay, so 1008, and you subtract 1, it will become 1007, right? Just because you just subtracted 1 from this I can, and then you have 084. So this time you're going to, second digit you have to subtract it from the base 1000. Whenever you get answer like this, subtract it from the base. So 084. So let's do a subtraction here. 10 plus 4 is going to be 6. 10 minus 4 is 6, and then 9 minus 8 is going to be 1, and that's 9. So you got your 3-digit number, you got your first number, and that is subtracted by 1. This is a number result of subtraction from the second digit. Okay, base minus the second digit, and then you get the final answer. Simply write down the answer. 1. So there is only 2 steps more. If you get a combination of differences, which is one number is greater than base, another one is greater less than the base, then you have to do these 2 extra steps okay, to get the answer. So this is going to be 916. Let's verify our answers. So I open my calculator. So what is the number? 994 multiplied by 1014, and result is 1007916, which is correct. So friends, I hope you learned something today, okay, and if you are new to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, okay. Thank you very much.